Hazrat Ata bin Yasar has reported from Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoso believes in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and establishes the prayers, observes Ramadan fasting, it is due on the blessing of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to admit him to paradise, whether he emigrates in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu or stays there where he was born." The people submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, should we convey this glad tidings to other people?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "There are 100 stages in paradise which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has prepared for those who fight in the cause of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. There is a span like that between the heaven and the earth, in between each two stages. Whenever you implore to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, beseech Him for Firdaus, because it is the middle and the best part of paradise, and above it is the throne of the affectionate, and from it the rivers of paradise gush forth." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7423.